Hey, good morning, team. So I was reminded this morning about a practice called sending love, and it's something that I learned from the person that reminded me this morning several years ago. And it's really closely aligned with the Gandhi principle of be the change that you want to see. And so his point is, if you want more love in your life, then the opposite is wanting, continuing to want more. When you want more, you end up the wanting is the gap, where the actual way to make things happen, and specifically in this particular case with love, or what Gandhi said, is give more love. And so this is a practice that I got turned on to again several years ago. I do it each morning as a part of my routine. I pick 3 people that I send virtual love to. It can be, it's oftentimes family, friends, relationships. Sometimes it's acquaintances. It is customers and colleagues that I'm working with. It doesn't really matter. It's just picking the people that are in my life and virtually sending them love. And what it does is it tunes, he actually called it magnets. So he calls it turning on the love magnets in the morning. And I like the thought of that. But for me, the word that I would use for myself is it primes me to be in a loving manner, just like doing gratitude every morning puts me in a grateful, when I start my day out with gratitude and love, what a beautiful way to start each day. Anyway, hope you guys are having a great day.